Making mini woodworking projects offers a myriad of benefits that extend beyond mere craftsmanship. Whether for sale, as gifts, or for personal use, these smaller creations provide a unique blend of creativity, practicality, and economic potential. As the interest in handmade items continues to rise, woodworking enthusiasts can capitalize on this trend while enjoying the numerous advantages that come with creating mini projects. One of the most appealing aspects of mini woodworking projects is the accessibility they offer to both novice and experienced woodworkers. For beginners, the smaller scale allows for a more manageable learning experience. Mini projects often require less material and fewer tools, making them less intimidating for those just starting out in the craft. This accessibility can foster a sense of accomplishment that encourages further exploration and skill development. As individuals gain confidence through completing mini projects, they may feel inspired to tackle larger and more complex woodworking endeavors. For seasoned woodworkers, mini projects present an opportunity to experiment with new techniques or materials without the commitment required for larger projects. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mini woodworking project ideas you can make for sale, gift, or personal use. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The smaller scale of mini projects allows for greater flexibility and creativity, enabling artisans to explore unique designs, finishes, and joinery methods. This experimentation can lead to the discovery of new skills and styles, enriching the overall woodworking experience. Additionally, these mini projects can be a delightful way to unwind and enjoy the craft without the pressure of larger, time-intensive creations. Creating mini woodworking projects can also be a lucrative endeavor. The market for handmade goods is thriving, and consumers are increasingly looking for unique, artisanal items. Small wooden creations, such as toys, home decor, or practical tools, often attract buyers interested in quality craftsmanship and originality. By producing mini projects for sale, woodworkers can tap into this demand and generate income from their skills. The relatively low cost of materials for smaller projects allows artisans to maintain healthy profit margins, making it a financially viable venture. Selling mini woodworking projects can also provide valuable insights into market trends and consumer preferences. As artisans engage with customers, they gain firsthand knowledge of what types of products resonate with buyers. This feedback can inform future projects and help woodworkers refine their craft to better meet market demands. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs or online marketplaces allows woodworkers to build a brand presence and connect with a community of like-minded individuals. These interactions can lead to networking opportunities, collaborations, and increased visibility for their work. Gifting mini woodworking projects is another rewarding aspect of this craft. Handmade gifts carry a personal touch that mass-produced items often lack. When someone receives a carefully crafted wooden item, it conveys thoughtfulness and effort that can strengthen relationships. Many projects, such as personalized keychains, coasters, or small decorative pieces, make excellent gifts for friends and family. The act of giving a handmade item not only brings joy to the recipient, but also provides the maker with a sense of fulfillment and pride in their work. The customization potential of mini woodworking projects adds to their appeal as gifts. Artisans can tailor their creations to suit the recipient's tastes, interests, or needs. This level of personalization enhances the emotional value of the gift, making it even more meaningful. Whether it's engraving a name on a wooden item or designing a piece that reflects a loved one's hobbies, The ability to create something unique fosters a deeper connection between the giver and the recipient. For personal use, many woodworking projects can enrich one's living space in practical and aesthetic ways. Small wooden items can serve functional purposes, such as organizers, plant holders, or kitchen utensils, while also adding a decorative touch to a home. The satisfaction of creating something useful and beautiful can enhance the overall enjoyment of one's living environment. Moreover, handcrafted items often hold sentimental value, as they represent the time and effort invested in their creation. Engaging in many woodworking projects can also serve as a therapeutic outlet. The process of working with wood can be meditative, providing a sense of focus and tranquility. For many, woodworking serves as a way to disconnect from the stresses of daily life and immerse themselves in a creative endeavor. The tactile nature of the craft, combined with the satisfaction of seeing a project come to life, can promote a sense of well-being. This therapeutic effect can be particularly beneficial in today's fast-paced world, where individuals often seek meaningful activities that foster mindfulness and relaxation. The community aspect of woodworking cannot be overlooked. As artisans create many projects, they often share their work with friends, family, and online communities. This sharing can lead to valuable feedback and encouragement, helping woodworkers improve their skills and gain confidence. Additionally, engaging with fellow woodworking enthusiasts can lead to the exchange of ideas, techniques, and inspiration. Many woodworkers find joy in collaborating with others, whether through workshops, online forums, or local clubs. This sense of community can enhance the overall woodworking experience and foster lasting friendships. Many woodworking projects also allow artisans to showcase their creativity and design skills. The smaller scale encourages experimentation with shapes, colors, and finishes, enabling artisans to develop a distinctive style. This creative expression can be incredibly fulfilling, as it allows woodworkers to create pieces that reflect their personality and artistic vision. As artisans hone their craft, they may discover new ways to innovate and push the boundaries of traditional woodworking. The environmental benefits of many woodworking projects should also be considered. By utilizing reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, artisans can create beautiful pieces while minimizing their ecological footprint. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who prioritize eco-friendly products, making many woodworking projects an attractive option in today's environmentally conscious market. Additionally, the reduced material usage inherent in smaller projects can lead to less waste, further supporting sustainable practices in woodworking. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodworking project ideas you can make for sale, gift, or personal use. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.